Welcome to the channel. Ever feel like your phone is constantly buzzing and pinging with Instagram notifications? If you're tired of the overload, then today's your lucky day. We're diving into a brand new feature, Quiet Mode. Let's jump in and see how to enable Quiet Mode. 1. Open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. 3. Select Settings, and then Notifications. 4. Scroll down until you see a Quiet Mode. 5. Tap on the toggle switch next to Quiet Mode to enable it. You can specify the start and end times for Quiet Mode, as well as the days. You can set it for up to 12 hours. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to enable Quiet Mode on Instagram. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.